Have you tested the goodness of God? If you haven't, you're about to do so. Because God answers prayers. He always does. And trust in God. Do not think that He's a God who is like a human being. He changes. When He likes you today, He does good things. When He doesn't like you tomorrow, He doesn't. No! God keeps His promises. Let me tell you, just keep put. Remain worshiping, reading His word, and knowing that there is none like our God. Because you will jump, you will celebrate, and you'll testify. Wait and see. You will testify. God loves you, and I love you.